Learn how to build and shipping container house.
Hello! Tired of paying high rents every month? And you don't want to carry a big, long mortgage and become a debt slave to the banks until you die? You don't have enough money to buy a new house. You feel exhausted, desperate, and trapped. You are at the right place. Here is your solution. You can own a house like this for just a few $1,000s. Yes, it's true. It cost only $12,500 to build this house. Want to learn how? Keep watching. This is a real project. This is our building land. We bought our shipping containers. We cut out the doors and windows. We are heading to our building land. We position our shipping containers. We are ready for details. Building costs for our 900 square feet home. Setting a foundation, adding roof, equals $1,800. Two shipping containers equals $2,400. Standard household systems like plumbing and electricity equal $4,100. Interior and exterior design equal $4,200. Total cost $12,500. Easy. This house is not built by professionals. Just an amateur built his own home. Fast. It is built in just 1 month. Cheap. It cost only $12,500 to completely build this house. Upgradable. Simply adding a container will add an instant 320 square feet onto your total living space. No lifetime mortgage payments. Freedom is everything. All you need is build your own shipping container home, step-by-step comprehensive guide. Build your own shipping container home, step-by-step comprehensive guide. You will find detailed information in more than 180 topics about the container home building process, container home design, how to plan, design and build your own container home, and everything and more you will need to know about container homes. Superb container home plans and projects. 550 plus pages of full-color digital book showcasing a total of 60 shipping container home plans and projects. Superb examples of container architecture. This is a 280 plus page full-color digital book showcasing a total of 60 shipping container homes from all over the world. My First Container Home. This is a 56-page book consisting of a real-life experience of a person who built a container house with her friends. Everything you need to know and more to plan, design, budget, and build your own shipping container home. Don't miss this limited time offer. Grab your copy below now.
To learn more, just click on the link below.